Good morning to everyone. In this lecture, the EC8351 Electronic Circuits 1, the Unit 1 is a fundamental and discrete BJT, JFET, MOSFET. Here, today we are going to discuss about the DC load line of BJT, that is analysis of DC load line in BJT configurations. In this DC load line, when the transistor is given the bias and no signal is applied as it the input, the load line draw as such a conditions can understand as a DC conditions. Here there will be no amplification as the signal is absent. The circuit will be as shown in below. This line is called a DC load line. These are the definition of important definition of DC load line. The DC load line represents the desirable combination of collector's current and the collector emitter voltage. It is drawn when no signal is given to the input and the transistor become biasing. Consider the common emitter NPN transistor circuit shown in figure below, where no signal is applied to the input side. For this circuit, no conditions will obtained and the output characteristics such as the circuit shown in figure. Now, we see the complete structure of VA characteristics model in DC load line curve. This is a common emitter configurations as shown in figure. There is a no signal, so the collector emitter voltage is raised to increase the collector current. The point of the VCC divided by RC to A to B point to allocated the DC load point. So the DC load line curve to measure the output current IC is stable conditions or unstable conditions. We point out the DC load line curve to find out the different parameters, that is the current amplifications and then stability factor and then threshold conditions and the input and output biasing supplies. Now we see the conditions by applying the Kirchhoff's voltage law to the collector circuit. We get the VCC is equal to VCE plus ICRC. Now the VCE is again VCC minus ICRC, the equation number 1. So the equation of VCC is rearranged in the equation 1. The above equation shows that the VCC and RC are the constant value and it is a first degree equation which is represented by the straight line on the output characteristics. This load line is known as a DC load line. The input characteristics is used to determine the locus of VCE and IC point for the given value of RC. The end point of this line are located as number 1. The collector to emitter voltage VCE is maximum when the collector current IC is equal to 0. Then the equation is 1. The first point A, that is a 0 O to OA is equal to VCC, the collector emitter voltage axis shown in figure. And then second point, the collector current IC becomes maximum. We see the DC load line point, the collector current IC become maximum when the collector emitter voltage VC is equal to 0. Then the equation is collector emitter voltage is equal to supply voltage minus 0 into RC, collector resistance. So the VCC is nothing but the VCC is equal to VCE. This gives the second point of the collector current axis shown in figure. By adding the point A and B, the DC load line is drawn. With the help of load line, any value of collector current is determined. So these are the complete structure of DC load line of BJT configurations. Thank you for watching this video.